Okay, today we're going to talk about the CanaKit Raspberry Pi 3B Plus. Just got this today. We're going to unwrap it and show you the different parts that come in this actual kit. So let's just get to it and open it up. Comes with a quick guide. So the kit comes with a case, the actual Raspberry Pi, power supply. It's like a little adapter cable as well. So here's the power supply that comes with it. What's nice about the kit here is they mentioned the fact that this will actually plug into your wall outlet and not be such a large footprint that would prevent you from plugging in another device into your outlet. Some of the other power supplies on kits, they're really huge and take up too much space. It does come with two heat sinks pre-taped to go onto the Raspberry Pi. I don't think we're going to be clocking it too hard or anything, but it does come with that. So let's break this thing out. So I'll take the sticky off of those and put the heat sinks on here in the future here. So case. Plenty of air holes. Let it breathe. It's got little rubber feet. Lid comes off. Pi will go in. Pop the top on. We'll have a nice finished looking product. So what's the difference between the 3B and the 3B Plus? I'm going to read off my notes here just to make sure I get it 100% accurate here. So it does come with the ARM Cortex A53 1.4 gigahertz processor. The 3B runs a 1.2, so incremental change there in the size of the processor. It still has a gig of SRAM, like the 3B predecessor. The big difference here, why I scooped up the B Plus, is it has 2.4 gigahertz and 5 gigahertz support for your integrated Wi-Fi. So Wi-Fi is built in, Bluetooth is built in. The Ethernet speed, if you were to plug in and hardwire this to Ethernet, the 3B ran 10100. This is running 300. So 300 megabytes a second for the 3B Plus. This whole kit here with the case, Raspberry Pi with his heat sinks, with the on-off adapter cable and the power supply was $54, I believe. I'll look that up and give a link and price on the description. But definitely looking forward to putting this together and getting a project rolling forward. Wanted to share an unboxing and talk about the 3B Plus. We're going to be building a project here in the coming future and going to do a magic mirror. So have to get all these supplies together first to make that happen, but this is step one. I'm going to put this together and start getting software configured. But there's the Raspberry Pi 3B Plus, and look in the description for a link and price. Definitely a nice kit, and we look forward to building something out here in just the near future.